Yo, what is up, you guys? We're back with another video, and today in this video we're going to be going to get a spare K24 for my RSX. I noticed some wear and tear, I noticed some glitter in the oil, and just to be safe I do want to have a spare motor in the case I do pop the motor. It's a lot of force on the motor, daily driving it, the boost. You know, wear and tear is normal, but to be safe I want to go get another motor just in case in the event I do blow it. I have one ready to go in the car. So let's go to the place and go get it. Alright guys, we just got here. I don't think they're gonna let me film inside, but if they do I'll try and get as many clips as possible. I'll catch you guys when I'm out. Perfect. Yeah, okay, perfect. Yeah, and then just 220. Sweet, go. Beautiful, beautiful. Shout out Toronto Auto Parts, guys. They're popping the valve cover off for me as well. Top of the line service going down. Valve cover off, all nice and clean. Alright guys, we got the engine all loaded up and tied down. Super big shout out to Toronto Auto Parts. They hooked it up. Amazing service. They put the valve cover off for me, did in-person compression test, which is perfect. Super nice guy, Zabby. If you guys need any parts, any engines, any transmissions, especially for Japanese cars, hit them up. I'll drop their link in my bio. Let's go home and unload this thing. So I just got back to the house and I thought this was super cool. Every motor comes with a tag on what car, what year it came from, the kilometers of the car. So this came from a 2007 TSX with 82,000 kilometers. So this motor's got under 100,000 K from Japan. This is cool. This is very cool. Let's go take it out the truck. Alright guys, engine is in the garage, nice and safe on the little dolly I bought. So now we can start to take it apart and take all this stuff off.